At 11, a progress report on saving pieces of history and major attractions to our naval yard. The focal point of Buffalo's waterfront has taken on rough water, and in recent years, the USS The Sullivans' partial sinking back in 2022 spotlighted years of wear and tear on the destroyer. Now, sparking a financial venture to secure funding through the city, state, and federal dollars. But according to the naval parking, the dry docking effort to repair and restore the Sullivans has been difficult. Floods and leaks are pushing progress back. And tonight, our Theo Castro de la Mata learning where things stand on this restoration project from the voice of those working to keep the Sullivans afloat.
It has a very special place in history. It has a very special place to anyone who served on a ship.
USS The Sullivans holds a very special place in the hearts of many Western New Yorkers like John Moffat.
One of the other ships is this one over here. This one is a Vietnam-era fast patrol boat.
Moffat, a retired U.S. Navy veteran, is one of the devoted volunteers aboard the Sullivans. He spends his time sharing the ship's rich history with visitors, making sure the story of the historic vessel stays alive for everyone who steps aboard.
It's a safe place. It's not just a place to work, but it was a home. It was a place where you made friendships. It was a place where you wrote letters to your loved ones. It was a place where you saw the world.
It was a very deep, dark day in the history of the Naval Park.
President and CEO of the Buffalo and Erie County Naval and Military Park, Paul Marzello, is referring to the ship partially sinking in 2022. Since then, the ship has had 13 significant floodings. On Wednesday, the Buffalo Naval Park hosted a community fundraiser not only to honor the Sullivans, but also to raise critical funds to support the ongoing repairs for the USS The Sullivans and the Croaker.
Between the cold and the warming effect going back and forth, what it does do is allows the steel to fluctuate, and with those fluctuations, very often where there is rust, it pops and causes leaks.
Marcelo says as of right now, the vessel is in relatively good condition, but it's crucial to get her on dry land and repaired. He says the city has selected a marine project management company to make those repairs. Now it's a waiting game.
The city is managing that process, so it's really out of our hands because the city does own the ships. But we are hopeful in working together with them that we can move this process along as quickly as possible.
I've been down here volunteering for 10 years.
And once this ship returns fully restored for volunteers like Paul Enser,
it brightens my life.
It will be a day they will never forget. Marcelo says the goal is to get the ship on dry land to be repaired by this October. If not, they would need to wait until next year when the winter is over. Althea Castro de la Mata, 7 News, Buffalo.